Hey everyone! Today's find is for all of you who are always on the hunt for that perfect gift. Practical, stylish, and affordable. The design is the first thing that stands out. It's chic and versatile, making it an ideal gift for literally anyone. Whether it's for a birthday, housewarming, or just because, you'll never go wrong with this. And the price? Absolutely unbeatable for something that looks and feels this premium. Check the description below for all the details, and don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome recommendations. See you in the next one.